Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this super easy, cute, kind of like double bun, space bun style. It's a great protective style. So what I did was I did put 4 plaits into my hair, and yes, I have gray hair now, you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it, but I do have 4 plaits in my hair, and to take the plaits out, I am gonna apply a bit of grapeseed oil, about a dime size, in my palm, and I'm gonna rub my hands together and apply this to the ends and along the braid. I like doing this because it helps avoid frizz, it gives my hair a little extra shine, and it just kind of treats my ends. So I'm just gonna gently remove the plaits, and the grapeseed oil just really helps with this. So put a little bit more grapeseed oil for the 2 front pieces and gently remove those. So basically what we're doing is we're just removing the plaits for kind of like a braid out look, but it's just really easy peasy because I only did 4 plaits. So if your hair is thicker, you might need more, might need less. It just depends on what size you want your waves. So I kind of wanted my waves to like be a medium size. And so I did moisturize and seal my hair the night prior to styling. So this allows my hair to be really juicy and easy to style. And I don't have to apply any product because my hair is already pretty much ready to go and moisturized. So as you can see, my hair is looking pretty moist. And so to complete the style, yeah, girl, it's time for a rinse, honey. Okay, so to complete the style, I'm going to actually leave it in the parted in the middle, and I'm going to use some ouchless bands. And so this is a great low manipulation style. This style doesn't require too much. So just to give like the hairstyle some personality, some extra cuteness, I am going to do like, I guess, these little pieces down right here. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this, but I like doing it because it's just cute to me. So I am going to take my rake comb and gently comb the hair up. You know, just some easy. I feel like everybody could do this. And just use a little brush the front up, brush the back a little bit, and use an ouchless band and gently wrap it around here like that. So this style is like super easy as far as protective style. Helps you know, keep your hair nice and moist, and it's just a cute protective style versus like the regular old just bun, you know. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Again, I'm making sure that I don't rake the comb all the way through to the ends. I'm stopping at a certain point because I want to make sure I keep that braid out look on my ends. And I want this to be somewhat low manipulation where it doesn't have too much tugging and pulling on my hair. So I'm also making sure that the bands are fairly loose. They're not too tight. And so this is pretty much it. I am going to separate a little bit of the braids just to make sure there isn't too many pieces that are clumped together, just to kind of fluff the pieces up, because now I'm going to give it the illusion of a larger puff bun look. This is kind of my style, what I do with all of my buns, just kind of like wrap the hair around in like a donut kind of fashion and just tuck the ends under. And I'm going to use these kind of like U bobby pins, and I'm just going to kind of like fluff and pin my hair. So I'm going to do this all the way around to create kind of like the bun look. So with this style, you can use clip-ins if you choose to. I feel like anyone with any hair length can do this. It's just a matter of how large your poof buns will be. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other side and just kind of create like a messy, effortless kind of look at the top, where it's not too perfect, but it still gives you, you know, like some personality and stuff, some cuteness. I don't know what that white piece is. That's some lint. I don't know what that is right there. So I'm just going to continue to pin. And these pins aren't uncomfortable. When I'm done wearing this style, of course, I will remove it and plait my hair back up, moisturize it, and things like that. So as you can see, it's a real cute, kind of like effortless look. Like so. So now we're done with the kind of poofs. This is the look that I wanted. I didn't want it too perfect. So I am going to put a little bit of rose water on my edges. And I'm going to apply the Edge Booster pomade in Sweet Peach. And I'm just going to apply the smallest amount of edge control or edge gel, or the pomade rather, onto my edges. So you can use whatever product that works for you. You don't need a whole bunch because I don't want it to look super slick. I just want my edges to look, you know, done and finished. So I'm just putting a very small amount. That's why I sprayed my hair with rose water, to help the product kind of glide onto the hair without having to use a lot of it. So I'm just going to brush this in. I actually did this same technique with my hair when it was natural. Sprayed a little rose water and then put a very small amount of edge product and brush it on in. So I purchased this edge brush from my local beauty supply store. So this is the final look, you guys. A really simple, easy, protective style. And it kind of gives the illusion that my buns are fuller and bigger than what they are. So hopefully guys, you enjoyed this video. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. Everything that I use will be down in the description, and some more videos about how I moisturize and seal my hair and how I create my aloe vera and rose water juice mix is down in the description on how I keep my hair nice and moisturized. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.